I'm just going to go over the structure of the page and probably show the HTML here so that you can see how it's structured. You can see there's a lot of bold tags, break tags, underline tags. This, what could be a list, a bulleted list, is actually just a bunch of spans and break tags. The image is right here. There's no alt text. And down here we go, again, more break tags, styling within the HTML. We've got something that looks like a button, but is actually going to open up a tab with Google in it, and that's more appropriate to be an anchor tag. I have an empty paragraph tag. I do have a label and an input, but they're not connected to each other. And we've got a lot of non-breaking spaces here also to space things out. More break tags, and then an anchor tag here that doesn't have an href, so it really doesn't do anything. And then we have something here that could show more text. So I'm going to go through this page with a screen reader so we can see how this page would appear to people using a screen reader. So I'm going to use NVDA, which is a free screen reader that you can download.
Okay. Non-semantic HTML, Google Chrome. Non-semantic HTML. Welcome. Glad you are here. Types of fruit, apple.
So what it did was just start to read the page. It started with the tab name, which is non-semantic HTML, and then just started to read through the page. If I go through the page with tabs, we can see which elements are interactive.
Learn more here button.
That's the first interactive element on the page.
Edit blank.
And that's the input. And as you can see, the label was not read to the user. And if I tab again,
Toolbar.
you can
File
see it
menu button. Non-semantic HTML document. Edit blank.
When I hit the tab, it went to the address bar instead of the show more link because there is no interaction with that show more link with just using the keyboard. So everything I'm doing right now is just with the keyboard or allowing the page and the screen reader to read it, the page itself. So let's see, if I keep going, I'm just going to use the arrow keys.
Blank.
Okay, I gotta go.
Learn more here. Toolbar. Bookmark this tab button. Non-semantic HTML. Screen readers users to understand. Non-semantic HTML doesn't provide meaning and structure to the content. Non-semantic HTML.
So I'm going up the page with just the up arrow key. And if we go to that image.
Unlabeled graphic to get missing image descriptions. Open the context menu.
So it doesn't have any alt text. People who are using a screener wouldn't know what that image is about. And if I go up to what looks like a bulleted list.
Tomatoes, bananas, apples, types of fruit.
So I'm going to go back down through that list so it's more in order of the page.
Apples, bananas, tomatoes.
So it doesn't read that this is a bulleted list or how many items are in that list. So I'm going to go up with the arrow key to where it says, glad you are here.
Type blank, glad you are here.
And it's just underlined text. That could be confusing for non-screen reader users just because it looks underlined and people just kind of assume underlined text is a link. So I'm going to go down arrow key again.
Blank.
So that's one of those BR tags or those break tags.
Types, apple, bananas, tomatoes, unlabeled graphic, non-semantic non-semantic, screen readers use, button learn more here.
So there's this space in between the learn more here button and the my input label.
My input edit. Blank. Link show more. Blank, my input edit.
So we're kind of
button learn more here, blank.
Like that blank.
Link show more. Link show more.
That blank just kind of says like there's nothing there. That's that non-breaking that BR again. So this page doesn't have a lot in it that makes this page easy for screen readers to understand, screen reader users to understand. So I'm going to end this video and then show you what a semantic version of this page would sound like.